Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Navya here again, and I had to make another video very quickly because I thought this was really important in the COVID-19 times now. I had lots of videos, lots of messages floating about Israeli and American scientists about to introduce this nasal spray, which is going to destroy almost all organisms in your nasal passage and your sinuses. And this is going to be a nitric oxide spray. Now, don't misunderstand me. Israel is one of my most favorite countries, and hats off to them for all the scientific progress. But for Indians, this is going to be quite a कान इधर से पकड़ना और इधर से पकड़ने वाला situation. So how many of us know about pranayam, which is a very important part of yoga? Almost everybody in India does, of all religions, faiths, castes, creeds, regions. We do, but we've just taken it so much for granted. We're like, हाँ ठीक है, वो प्राणायाम, वो फूके मारना होता है लेफ्ट से राइट से, अनुलोम विलोम, कपालभाति, मुझे आता है. So आता तो है, पता तो है, but how many of you practiced it today morning? Oh, the pink has come from a beetroot I just ate. Yeah, beetroot. Keep asking me how it's all pink and healthy. Beetroot. So one quick tip here, if you want to know how much you're good with hemoglobin, and you should have this a pale yellowish color skin where you press it and it doesn't go back to its normal color quite quickly, and a yellowish portion remains, means there's less hemoglobin. Like an easy test, of course. It's not a diagnostic test, just something you can do for not fun, but to kind of go to a doctor and check out your hemoglobin. So I'll tell you all about hemoglobin though, another important component, but you guys take it for granted. I also took it for granted maybe when I did not know anything about it. So today it's about COVID-19, about countries like Israel and America coming up with nasal sprays with nitric oxide. Focus, Navya. So should we use it? Of course, if you want to go use it, use it. And I mean, it's synthetic, it's still chemical. Or you could just do pranayam. Now, what is the science behind pranayam? So in pranayam, and now this is documented. This is documented in studies. It's documented, properly. So you can check it out if you want to confirm it, reconfirm it. Pranayam, and this simple, the basic one where you just breathe in. Now the one with the vibration. So it has three components: which starts from your belly, which comes up all the way to your chest, and instead of ma, it's Now this vibrational ma, essentially, if you put your hands on your cheeks at that point in time around your sinuses or around your mouth, you'll see this entire area is vibrating. Now it is scientifically proven that these vibrations open up these sinuses and they produce nitric oxide. And this nitric oxide basically helps us remove all the microorganisms. So now the same nitric oxide which you can buy off a bottle and spray is actually produced and is documented now to be being released during the vibrational phase of your Om vibration, the chant. So it's ma. That time you can feel all of this is vibrating. Small tip, see that your nasal passages are clear. You can do a little bit of Jal Niti, learn it under supervision. It's nothing but pouring salt water through your sinuses, clearing the passage, and then when you do pranayam, it's even more beneficial. But amazing, isn't it, that the pranayam that we take for granted, the pranayam that we all hear about, we all know about, we all laugh about, we crack jokes about Baba Ramdev all the time, But we forget to be grateful to him that no matter what, it was him who made sure that he went to every village in the country and he taught people about yoga. You may follow him, you may not follow him, you may agree with certain things he does or not, but please accept what he told, that he brought yoga to every doorstep in India. And now it was up to us whether we follow it or not. So just talking about pranayam and saying I know all about pranayam is not important. Doing pranayam every morning is very important, and every evening, especially during these corona times. Imagine getting your own nitric oxide inside of your own nose and your own sinuses, which you were supposed to be buying from an Israeli country supporting somebody else's economy. And easy to do, easy to practice, zero money, zero investment, at your own time, at your own pace, in your own home. You can teach your children, you can teach your family members. Learn it properly. Some few 2-3 tips that I know about pranayam I'm going to give you. One is, do not put over effort. So people tend to think कि बहुत ज़्यादा जोर लगाया तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, like and their face gets all contorted. So one of the principles is that your face expression should be one of a gentle smile, which obviously can only be maintained if you do a balanced breathing technique rather than an over effortful one. 2, your neck shouldn't be either going back like or falling down like that. 3, you shouldn't be doing any grimacing expressions. 4, in certain schools where I learned yoga, they also taught that your one nostril should not even know that your other nostril is breathing. It should be that calmly done. Even though it's a deep breath, it should be a calm, effortless one. 4, the essential chanting is about creating that vibration. So it's a, u, ma. Ma is the vibrational part. That is the time where all the vibrations will release nitric oxide inside of your nasal system and your sinuses, which is where all these germs could be blocked. So excellent way of improving your nitric oxide production, which now Israel is telling you, and believe me, Israel is good at what they do. So now Israel is telling you is good, and they are about to introduce these nasal sprays having nitric oxide. So thank you to yoga, thank you to Patanjali, Rishi Patanjali ji, who brought yoga to all of us. And pranayam is just one of the aspects of yoga. And one more small thing I want to leave you with before I end this video. Most of you think of yoga as these weird postures. No, it's an entire way of life. Yoga essentially means union. Now this union can be between you and you, the real you, the soul you, the pure you, the complete you, the you that is then a part of the universe and is the universe. This is you and the creator and the creation. So it's essentially bringing you in harmony, in unity. And what better way to show unity than through a namaste. So understand yoga in its completeness before either rejecting it or blindly running after just one physical aspect of it. It's more than asanas. Asanas are just one stage. Pranayam is another stage. Yogic way of life, yogic way of thinking. All of this is important. So my dear friends and family, and all of you interested, please start practicing pranayam. Please start telling everybody about this. Read about nitric oxide in the Journal of Respiratory Science. It's all been published, and I hope this simple breathing chant of Om, U, Ma can help us be healthier during COVID times and after that. Bye bye.